Hey folks, welcome back with Cooking with Kevin. Tonight we're going to be using the pressure cooker. And you didn't see the previous video because we deleted it and I called it a slow cooker. But it's a pressure cooker. So we're doing sloppy joes in the pressure cooker. So pressure cook your sloppy joes. So what are we going to have? We got about 2 pounds of ground beef, onions, peppers, garlic, Dijon mustard, sugar, tomato paste, Worcestershire sauce, soy sauce, water, and ketchup. So the first thing we're going to do is turn this on, saute, and I always turn up the heat on that. We're just going to add a little bit of, calls for olive oil. I'll put it in. Not that I think we really need it, but hey, recipe calls for it. That's what we're going to do.
You have some spots that were still frozen.
Eh? Yeah. Yeah, little spots are still frozen, but once it gets heated up.
I'll give you some entertainment while Kevin's doing that. Look at. All right, so
We're going to add a little bit of pepper, pulse pepper, and some salt. So we're going to brown this for a little bit, and then we need to drain it. So tell you what, when we're at that point, ready to do that, we'll bring you back.
sounds good.
Okay, so we've done browning our ground meat. Now we got to add in the onions to allow them to cook for a couple of minutes.
You know, Ian completely sings in his videos when he's cooking. You're just humming.
Yeah, I just like to hum. So we're just gonna let this cook for another 2-3 minutes with the onions in it.
So, let's show them how much of a klutz you are.
No. What? It's just a little boo-boo.
He's such a klutz. Look at his
No, he
leg.
didn't. My wife pushed me down the stairs.
I was sound asleep. He tripped down the stairs.
Just a little bit.
Yes. Daddy was being silly, wasn't he, Brody? Yes. All right, let's get this show on the road. I'm getting hungry.
I have to wait. I can't rush 2 minutes.
It's good enough. Put the peppers in.
No, it's not good enough. Said 2 minutes. You're so impatient.
Yeah, I know. Because we've actually never made Sloppy Joes from scratch before.
No.
We usually just use the Manwich sauce or something, and I want to do it. I was looking forward to this.
Yeah. Well, I mean, the onions don't really fully cook anyways until...
Exactly. Same with the peppers, so. Chop chop.
It's my kitchen.
Yummy, yummy, yummy. It smells so good. Oh my gosh. Just all the ingredients on the counter smell good.
Yeah, just gotta let that cook for another 1 to 2 minutes. And we're gonna be adding in the brown sugar, soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce, and half a cup of water. Oh, I didn't throw. Where's this supposed to go?
He's looking for his garlic.
Oh. Come right now.
Yummy smelling kitchen. Yummy, yummy, yummy. I found it weird that the recipe says don't mix the sauce. It's just supposed to go on the top.
Yeah.
It's just supposed to go on the top until you're done. Like until it's all done. And then give it a stir. So, that's alright. Oh, humming and whistling. Oh.
Another minute.
A whole nother minute.
Brody.
You're not supposed to put your hands on the counter, Brody.
That's right. Alright, so now we can add in the sugar. Worcestershire sauce.
Why has that got such a difficult name?
Well, because people want to call it Worcester, but it's Worcestershire. That's why.
Well, it's stupid.
Well,
it's a stupid name. Smells yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. And there's gonna be a bonus too, because at the end of this we'll show you what we're doing for dessert.
Yep.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Okay.
What's next?
Oh, I took that water. So, it says layer the tomato paste, Dijon, and cup. So I don't know what they mean by that, but
Put whatever they said in first, and then put the other one on top.
well,
the other
I
one
know.
on top.
I just So tomato paste. I just
Just in the middle.
yeah.
That would drive Maniac Grammy, Brenda,
Yeah.
absolutely nuts. She hates when she will not tap
No?
a spoon on the side of things.
Why? Oh well. Personal preference, right?
Yep.
I do. As long as it's not gonna break. And I'm not stirring it in.
Yeah, it says don't stir it.
Okay.
And then, what's the next step?
To stop the sauteing. Fire up the pressure cooker.
And what are you cooking on?
I don't know. I don't know if that's in the... Says high for 5 minutes. Yeah, but it doesn't say what. You gotta remember, it's a pressure cooker.
Yeah.
You got everything. You got meats and poultry and soup and...
Oh, in the video that I saw, they said either meat or just the pressure cooker button.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we cook it high for 5 minutes. Once the 5 minutes done, we let the 10-minute natural release. After 10 minutes, then we can vent the rest of the steam off. Open it up. Give it a stir. If it's still runny, then we'll put it back on saute and cook it down a little bit more.
All right. So at this point, let's bring them back when we're plating up.
Yep.
All right.
Okay. Pressure cooker is done. We went through the 10 minutes to let it bleed off itself. Now we're just going to bleed off the rest, which is not going to be a lot of steam left in there. Kind of smells alright. Okay. Oh. It never mixed in.
Now you gotta mix it.
So that's why I didn't understand why you didn't mix it.
I don't know. It said to mix, not to mix it.
So now we're just gonna have ketchup flavored.
No, we're not.
It smells okay.
There you go.
Yeah, but the smell and taste are different.
Is it thick?
Oh yeah. Right.
Yum it. I think it smells good.
Well, it smells good, huh? Yeah.
All right, we'll bring it back when we get it over on the table.
Okay, it's done. We have it on our plate. Time to taste it. Smells good. I'm always a little skeptical of trying new things, so. No, it's actually not.
No.
It's not too bad.
No, pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
So, and we're having salad with it. There's mine.
Okay.
And this little dude doesn't like a lot of sauces and stuff, so he's having hot dogs instead of these Sloppy Joes. Anyway, we'll bring you back when it's dessert time.
Okay. We ate our delicious supper. It was really good. Turned out good. Like I said, I'm always skeptical when we make new stuff, but it turned out good. Now, for the dessert, we got yummy
Angel food cake.
Well, angel food or shortcake. They call them dessert shells.
Yeah.
What do we put on them. Ooh, yummy strawberries.
Mm-hmm.
So
They're really good strawberries right now too.
well, the key thing with that is you put some sugar on it.
And then you get that little syrup.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
How much do you
I don't
want?
want strawberries.
No?
You don't want any strawberries?
Okay. Well, it's too bad.
You're crazy, dude. You're gonna have whipped topping though?
You want whipped topping?
No. That stuff should be illegal.
Cheerios are crazy. No. Cool it. It's yummy. You gotta have it.
No.
You don't need to have it. If you don't like it, you have to.
All right.
Okay, there you go.
There's dessert.
That was Cooking with Kevin. Yeah, not on Thursday, on Saturday, because Friday plans got screwed up too. So, there you had it. We had the pressure cooker sloppy joes. We had salad with it, and then the strawberries with the dessert shell, and Cool Whip for the cool people. No Cool Whip for the no cool people. So.
Hey, guys,
Gotcha.
you're gonna see every kind that we made.
Hey folks, welcome back to Cooking with Kevin. So I got a special one tonight. I'm using the slow cooker. We are
That's not a slow cooker. It's a pressure cooker.
All right, just stop that.